Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And we have no videographer. Govy sleepy. So for today, tayo lang. And Lina is here to help me. So right now, mabilis lang tayo kasi ginagawa ko pa rin ang hamon mula Pasko. So for today, the hamon that I'm using is ito yung medyo mas maalat, no? So iba-ibang hamon ang nakuha namin nung Christmas. So what I did is, I'll just video it later. So basically, hold on. Okay, so basically this is the hamon that we got na medyo maalat. So I cut it into cubes. And then we have some bell peppers, some onions, and some native garlic, and some leftover tomato sauce over Christmas. So we're gonna make it tomato cream sauce. So ideally, this is good with penne or macaroni. But since wala kami nun, we're just gonna be using our leftover spaghetti. So we are turning on the wok. I am actually videoing myself and doing this demo. So this is olive oil. So, you have to remember also that as we cook this ham later on, diba? It's a little bit salty, cut it into small cubes. It will even be saltier later on. Okay? So, basically, ito, we have tomato sauce, no? Yan yung canned tomato sauce. Remember, yung shoot natin, yung ginawa natin with steak, yung tomato sauce lang na matagal namin to sinimmer. There, and then we also have some leftover, I believe this is spaghetti sauce. So we're just mixing it all together with our ham. At Lina, paki-hold naman yung camera. Kasi sariling sikap kami para meron tayong entry. Just garlic. Bango. So actually, itong garlic namin ay Tagalog, diba? Yes, native. Tapos, a lot of onions, so mas ma-enhance ang ating bell peppers. Ito kasing bell peppers, I'm gonna use a lot of it kasi baka mabulok. And then this is the ham. So we're just gonna mix it all up. Kasi sayang naman. I'm sure at this point, sa mga may nakikirap mang ham, nag-iisip na kayo what else to cook with it, right? And then I will just add some chili flakes. A little bit. It's very spicy. Para lang mas magising. Kasi nga, it's dried. Ang galing, ano, si Lina, helper at ngayon videographer na rin. So, this one, we're just sauteing it to make sure na dito ng konti yung ham. I added the bell peppers to give it another layer of flavor. So, later on. So, hindi lang siya plain tomato sauce and ham, no? So, we're just gonna be doing that. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of cream. Okay. Siguro nagtataka sa inyo sa nanggagaling tong tubig na ito. It's the liquid from the bell peppers. Kasi we use a chopper. Ibig sabihin yung machine na chopper namin, we didn't chop it with a knife. So there's a little bit of liquid. And some of it, it's coming from the ham, no? So the brine. So don't worry about it. As we saute this, it will dry up, no, in the wok. Sorry, wala akong microphone. So sana hindi mag-ingay. See? Go. This is just our one entry. Okay, if you're here in the kitchen, you can really smell the bell peppers. Talagang halatang it's cooking. Para may pagka-kunting paprika yung kanyang scent, no? So, hindi ko muna siya lalagyan ng salt kasi like what I said, the ham is a bit salty. So, at this point, I'm just gonna add thyme and tarragon because yun lang ang meron kami ang stock. Wala na kami ng yan. Wala na kasi kami ng may Italian seasoning. So, pang dalawa na lang gagamitin ko. Sayang. So, bago pa mapulok. No? So, like what I said, I think I repeated it. If it's dried herbs, you add in the beginning. Diba? You don't add it in the end. Sa fresh, you add in the end. But if it's dried, you add it at the beginning para mas mag-simmer and ma-release ang flavors. Okay, let me go. Yan. So, as you notice, it's already drying up, the liquid. Diba? Yung liquid nang galing sa bell peppers and pieces din ng ham. So here, just use whatever tomato sauce you have. And then we're just gonna boil it. This is our tomato sauce yung ginawa natin in December pa. There you go.
Govy, are you excited for the pasta?
Okay, ayan. So as the sauce is thickened, I'm just gonna add some salt. I needed to adjust some salt para hindi naman kaasim ang ating tomato sauce. Just pepper. And then I'm gonna add some cream. And while I'm simmering this, I'm gonna begin cooking our pasta. Paboil na ng water, Ate Lee. Yes, Andrea, we miss you. So, ito itsura ng video ng kusina ni Mrs. O kung wala si Andrea. Ito sa totoong buhay. Okay, so that is still thickening. We're still reducing it further para talagang mag-intensify ang flavors. And then it looks like, okay, it's already boiling. So, ilalagay ko na ang ating pasta. Konti pa lang yan. Kasi, yung ibang sauce, I will stock up on it. Para meron kami pang stock. Okay.
Excuse me, boss.
Okay, this should be ready. Go. And then this one, I will just put olive oil ng konti para hindi siya madikit. So, yung ibang, ano dito, pang stock natin. Cheese. Parsley. Kung gusto ng konting anghang, chili oil. At yan ang ating ham and tomato sauce for spaghetti or pasta para walang sayang mula Pasko. That is our leftover
It looks very good.
ham, which is a little bit salty, so we added some tomato sauce.
What a good lunch. Looks good. Sison-Oreta gives the food you've already received from namin Sison-Oreta. The presentation's perfect. Is this because of Georgy's birthday? Good. Tastes like expensive spaghetti.
Happy birthday, Georgy.